So, regarding the setup, I've got a Mac, so this is fairly simple for me. If you have a Windows or anything else, well, specifically speaking for Windows, it's best if you get like a Ubuntu or a Linux VM, and I'll put the link for those particular VMs in the description below. The idea is that you have a native OS or an OS where Python is run almost natively. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description below. I'd rather have it done this way because this way I don't have to explain through the Windows setup for people who aren't running Windows. And I understand that a lot of people will be running Windows, but that doesn't mean that I should make a video for them because I don't actually have an actual Windows machine. So there isn't a Windows machine in this entire house whatsoever. And because of that, I'm going to be running my Python that's built on my Mac. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. Of if you have any issues regarding installing Python on Windows or anything, I can try my best to help you out. But since I don't have actually any experience on Python on Windows, I can't really give the best advice. So best bet, Google first, come to me later, and then we'll go on from there. All right, thanks guys, bye.